it's Sean from iwashyouDry.com, and today we're gonna be making one of my favorite side dishes that goes perfect with any potluck or barbecue. It's my classic macaroni salad. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take about a pound of dry elbow macaroni noodles, and we're gonna get them into some boiling water. Let's get going. Now while our pasta is boiling, let's go ahead and chop up some fresh veggies to add to our macaroni salad. I'm adding in some diced celery, as well as some red bell pepper, red onion, cheese, and also some frozen peas. Okay, here's another fun tip. If you want to cut a bell pepper without getting the seeds everywhere, tip it upside down and cut alongside the membrane of the bell pepper. And we're gonna need just about a half a cup of red bell pepper. So probably about half. You can set that aside. What's great about macaroni salad is that you can really add in just about any sort of add-in that you like. So you can do diced ham, hard-boiled eggs, or any other veggies that you might just need to use up in your fridge. Okay, so I love using sharp cheddar cheese. You can also use a mild cheddar if you'd like, or a Colby Jack cheese, like a blended marbled cheddar is a great addition too. And I just give these a nice cube, but you can also shred it if you'd like. So just cut them into like little blocks like this. We just need about a cup of cheese. And if you're dairy free and you want to leave this out, totally fine. Okay, now that our add-ins are ready, let's check that pasta. Should be nice and tender. You just want it cooked to a nice tender al dente. Now you're gonna rinse off your pasta under cold water. Sometimes I even throw in some ice cubes just to help cool it down. All right, once you've drained your pasta, add it to a large bowl. And we're gonna just add in all of those yummy add-ins that we chopped up before. So, got our cheese. For my recipe, you'll just need 1 cup of cubed cheddar cheese, half a cup of diced red bell pepper, a 1/4 cup diced celery, and a 1/4 cup of diced red onion, as well as a half a cup of frozen peas. Then you can just stir all this together. All right, and of course, what macaroni salad isn't complete without a fantastic dressing? So, in order to make the dressing, you're just going to need 1 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 3 tablespoons of sugar, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt and just a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm just using some plain white vinegar here. If you wanted to add a little bit more sweetness, you could use some apple cider vinegar in its place. So that's it, and we're just gonna whisk this together. Also, if you wanted to make this a little bit more light in calories, you could substitute half mayo and half plain Greek yogurt, or half mayo and sour cream. Okay, let's go ahead and add that dressing. The best part about this classic macaroni salad is that you can make it a day ahead of time and store it in the fridge. It tastes just as good, if not maybe even better the next day. Just make sure you give it a good stir before serving. All right, this is so creamy and delicious. It is perfect for all those barbecues you got coming up. I know it's warming up here and we are getting ready to cook some ribs, and this will be perfect as a side. Let's give this a shot, shall we? Okay guys, I cannot wait to dig into this, and I can't wait for you to try it either. So make sure you head to iwashyouDry.com to grab the recipe and find more delicious side dishes just like this macaroni salad to serve with all of your barbecues and potlucks this summer. So let's give this a try. This is so good, guys. The creamy dressing, the little crunchy from the peppers and the onions and the celery, and the creamy goodness of the cheese. You're gonna love this salad. Give it a shot, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.